Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. First, I would like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and of course, Happy New Year. And of course, I would also like to state, I thank everyone who watches my videos, who likes my videos, leaves me comments, leaves me feedback, and of course, subscribes. It is appreciated. Thank you very much. Today I am going to do an unboxing of a pre-loved item that I picked up off of eBay. I opened the box, but I did not look in the box, so you will be seeing it for the first time with me. So, this is the box that it came in. Looks like it was packaged pretty well. I don't know if you can see it. Here it is. Okay. This is the Hattie Florentine leather drawstring in the color pale blue. Now, I don't think this is the largest Hattie. I think this is the one in the middle. And of course, since I just opened the box, I didn't know what size it was. Otherwise, I would have gotten the measurements. Now, I don't know how this color is coming off on the camera, but in person, the pale blue, you can kind of see a little bit, I want to say a little bit of purple or lavender in it. Ooh, if you could have seen what I just did. The bag just went against my face and took some of my lipstick on the leather. Thank God it wiped right off. But, like I said, I picked this up on eBay. I paid $99 for it. It looks like it is new with tags. Got the dust cover. It's still there's still the original packaging is in it. I'm just looking at the bag just to see what, and I'm taking off my glasses so that I can really see. Just to see if there are any stains. There's no scratches on the bag. It's in really, really good condition. The Florentine leather is smooth throughout, which is really, really nice, and sometimes rare. Okay, it does look like it was worn, because there is some scuff marks on the little feet. So I'm not going to say that it's actually new with tags, just in excellent condition. And let me check the, let me put my glasses back on. And let me check the inside of the bag. Now, in a lot of ways, I'm glad it's not the large Hattie, because the large Hattie is huge. And that would have been way too big of a bag for me. This is a nice size bag. I just did a review on this bag, the Dooney and Bourke drawstring bag in the all-weather leather. The color is red. And you know, when I did the video on this bag, I forgot to cinch it so that everyone could see what it looks like when the bag is cinched. And it does look really nice when it's cinched. And of course, when it is cinched, just the top is cinched. Your items that are in the bag, they aren't affected when the bag is closed. Let's put it that way. But now, this one, the Hattie is larger than this one. Not that much larger, but it is larger than this one. And I think this is like 10 by 10, and I believe it's about 5 to 6 inches deep. And the Hattie is definitely taller. So I'm going to say the Hattie has to be at least maybe 11, 12 inches high. And then it looks like it may be about the same length. And, ooh, it looks like the all-weather may be a little bit deeper or wider. But as you know, well, first, let's get into the bag. No, you know what? It's not purple. It's green. That's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a little bit of green in the color. Because, like I said, this is a pale blue. And I think I'm seeing a little bit, just like a touch of green in this color. Now, of course, since it's so light, I'll have to be careful with color transfer. And, of course, today I have on a dark denim jacket. And, of course, I wouldn't wear this jacket with this particular bag. But it is nice. So this is the front. This is the side. This is the back. And it has the stamp back here. This is the other side. And then this is the bottom. It has, of course, a leather strap. You can detach the strap here. And you can switch from the duck logo to the Dooney label. And it is done in the gold-toned, the brushed gold-toned hardware. And then with these bags, the interior is leather, the lighter toned leather. Now, like I said, there's a lot of stuffing in this bag, which I appreciate. But this is the back wall with the zip pocket and then slip pocket below it. Now that slip pocket is small, so that will not fit my iPhone, which is a 6 Plus iPhone. And then the front wall has the two long vertical pockets, which I love. And they almost go to the bottom of the bag. Put that back. And of course it comes with the key keeper. Since it's Florentine, it's collared in the green suede all the way around. Now I have to say, it's my hair. I have to say, I was hesitant in getting this color, the pale blue, because I didn't know if this would be a color that I liked. But since it was such a good price and it was Florentine leather, I said, okay, if I'm going to get this color, I might as well get it at this price and in this type of bag. The color's not going to stop me from carrying it, but I was considering getting this color in the medium Florentine satchels when Dooney was having sales on those bags. I think I mentioned in a previous video when I went to Florida, they had the medium satchels, the medium Florentine satchels for $2.49, which is an excellent price for those bags. And of course they had them in all the colors. But I don't think I would have liked to have gotten that bag in this color. But I can, and I just want to show you what it looks like when it's cinched. And again, only the top portion of the bag cinches. It doesn't affect anything that's within the bag. So that's how it looks like when it's cinched. It's nice. Now this is a large bag, and it's definitely going to hold everything that I carry and then some. But let me show you just give you a perspective as to just how large the bag is. So I am going to take some of my things out of my bag. And this is the Michael Kors mauve Saffiano leather pouch. And it just, this bag just swallows that up. I also have the Michael Kors smaller pouch in the color blush, Saffiano leather again. I'll throw that in there. And again, there's more than enough room. Then of course I have my wallet. Same type of leather, same color. Blush, Saffiano leather, Michael Kors. And look how much room I have left. And then I have the largest piece from that Michael Kors 3-piece set. It is Saffiano leather, burgundy color. Easily fits in this bag. And I still have plenty of room left to add other items. So hopefully you can see that. But I will say it's a nice size bag, but it's not too large for me. So let me just cinch it back up so that you can see how it looks with something in it. It looks nice. You really can't tell that I have anything in there. And let me show you how it looks on the body. Let me just move the camera around. See if we can try this without jerking the camera too much. Here we go. I really have to figure out why I can't move this. Okay, let's come up. And this is how it looks on the body. Not bad. And of course, there is plenty, bring it up a bit. There is plenty of clearance because there's no adjustability on the strap. This is the length of the strap, that's it. But there's plenty of room. And you can easily just push it back, But like I said, it's not too big. Nice size bag, but pretty bag. And even though I guess some people would consider this a spring color or summer color, I would wear this all year round. So, nice. So let me know what you think. I think it was a pretty good find on eBay. Sorry, I'm bringing the camera back up. I definitely have to practice this before I start doing videos. That would be the thing to do. But let me know what you think. The Dooney and Bourke Hattie Drawstring bag in Florentine leather. The color is pale blue. I thank you so much for watching. And again, have a great, great holiday. Stay safe. Bye.